kay Marilyn. Adto sa iyang subratot ng gasto. Sa bangko ganit. Kasi nagahapot sa bangko ha. Oo, nato hindi na pagpadala kay Bibi. Ha? Hindi na pagpadala sa akin. Okay? Hindi, nasamuan lang sa kanon kung anong kagi. Ha? Basta taga-city man siya. Saan doon siyang pagbalati? Okay, sige na. Istorya na lang sa kay busy ang akong beauty salon. Ha? Bye-bye. Ay, oo, galing. Saan nung bunyag gani?
Yan si Chow. That's Chow using AirScript.
Bye-bye.
Now tell us or tell me, how can you say that this guy didn't use and you never ever try to inspect his base? So I hope Kicks Eye, you have to deal with this again. I never saw anyone of MFUN being banned because of this hack. So I hope you Kicks Eye will ban this person. I'm just doing this video for you Kicks Eye, because you never ever try to ban this person. For many times we already complained with this guy. I hope this video will make this person pay. I hope you are happy with this video. He's even using Gold Boost. See? This is how your player does.